Hello, let's have a look at how we can set up our attraction. In my case, as you remember, I've already set up an attraction called Pixel World Funland, right? The place where you set up your attraction name is this one, attraction name. And by default, your attraction is going to be a permanent venue. Now, this doesn't mean you're going to be operating it 100% of all of the years, but it means that you don't have to stop ticketing outside of the season, right? However, if you do choose to have a semi-permanent venue, you can choose the date interval and just set tickets for that specific date interval. In my case, this is a permanent venue, which will allow me to set up calendar-based ticketing so I can sell tickets day by day. And we're gonna find out soon how that works. The next step we're gonna set up is the location. And this is where you can set up your address. And once you've added the key elements, you're gonna press on place on map, and an automated map finding widget is going to pop up, and you can drag and drop and find the perfect address for your attraction. You also have two additional options, seating chart and seating. These are basically the same options, but one of them is more advanced for seating maps. In our case, we're just going to have a look at something that would work really well in a theme park, a water park, where we just sell tickets and no seats, right? All right, so let's move on to description. This is where you can add a few details on your attraction. If you want to publish your registration page on our domain, if you add the details here, we're going to generate a landing page for your attraction where you can point your guests so they can register. Then we have the media section where you can add a cover photo as well as a gallery where customers can see some information about your venue. And then we have the advanced settings. Probably one of the relevant ones are going to be customer form. Basically, these are people that are buying the tickets, and the guest form. These are the actual guests. So if there's a family, let's say a family of 4, and mom is buying the tickets, she will be the customer, and everyone else is gonna be one of the guests, including her. Then we have some additional options, but these are the most important ones: guest and customer form. If you want to collect extra data, if you don't enable customer form, we're gonna collect data on your behalf for invoicing and payment processing options when people are checking out. So in a nutshell, this is the first step you're going to go through when setting up your attraction ticketing. And once you've filled in all of the information, just press save or next to move on to the ticket section. All right, so let's have a look at how we can set up tickets for your attraction.